Hi, this is TR from Stagecoach Road Sewing. Today we've got a really nice machine to show you. Look at this awesome old case. No mold or mildew, no musty smells. In fact, it smells like my old 1962 car. Very cool. Look at this. The perfect lucite handle still in place. And look at that. This is a sterling 100 Deluxe, made in Japan. I'm going to guess late 50s, early 60s on this. That's the heyday of this sort of machine. Built on Singer's Class 15 model, which was tried and true design. Let's turn on the light. Ta-da! Let's thread it up. Simple straight stitch machine here. Forward and back. You can also wind a bobbin down here while you're sewing over here. Let's just go ahead and do that. Class 15 bobbins that you can get at any fabric or sewing store. These are the hard-sided ones. The ones you see now usually have, I think it's 7 holes in the side, or they're clear plastic. But just look for class 15. Push that. And let's wind our bobbin. Here we are threading our bobbin. See, we could be sewing over here at the same time with our thread on that. Because when this is full, it'll take off like that. We're not going to wind a full bobbin. These class 15s hold a lot of thread. Do you know the average dress project uses 2 spools of thread and about 4 windings of the bobbin? Okay, we've got our class 15 bobbin case. Put it in your left hand, this in your right. Thread coming off away from you. Get in there. Tick under the spring. Now we got our hitchhiker's thumb. We're going to stick right down in there. The little thumb pointing up until it clicks. Leave the thread down underneath. Okay, now we'll thread the top. There's a notch right here. And then it goes around between the 2 tension plates. Like that. And then down through here. Oops, sorry. Through the spring. Through the take-up lever. And there's one on the front. And there's one right there. And then I put in the needle. This machine, the needle goes in with the flat side of the needle facing the pillar of the machine. That's what this is called. The pillar, the arm, the face. When you put your needle in, you want to make sure that you've got your take-up lever at its highest point. Also on this machine, it's like a Singer. Always turn the wheel towards you. Never turn it backwards. You'll snarl up the works, and then you'll be picking thread out. Always turn it towards you. Thread the needle from left to right. That. Okay, got your top threaded now. Turn the wheel towards you. Bring up your bottom thread and you're ready to sew. Okay. Let's start with some basic shirting. Here's some Oxford shirting. Here's your stitch length over here. Forward and reverse. Here's forward. Reverse is up. You can loosen this thread, or this threaded screw here, and dial in a stitch per inch number over here. 12 is about right for this fabric. 12 to 13. Tighten that down. That way we'll get the same stitch forward and reverse. Don't have to do that. But it's nice if you're top stitching and you want to keep an even forward and back. Even on a single layer, look at that. It's not gathering it up. Really nice, flat, even tension. 2 layers down to 1. And let's pop up on the 4 here. And let's go backwards. It's a really smooth, nice sounding machine. Okay. Now with these class 15 type machines, it's really important that when you finish, you bring your needle all the way up. Remember, always towards you. And leave a good tail. And that way when you start your next seam, let's try some canvas here. Let's fold it over for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 layers of canvas here. And give it a go. Again, we're on a long stitch length because a long stitch length for heavy fabric. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Nice high lift under there. Perfect balanced seam through 8 layers of canvas. Let's fold that over. What do you think? Can we get it under the foot? Lift that baby up. Start with the fabric. And you're probably going to want to put a size 16 or 18 needle in there if you're going to sew fabric that thick. But the machine can do it. There you go. 16 layers of canvas. Leather? Sure! Here's some bonded leather from an old jacket. Let's fold that over for a double layer. Again, you'd want to, for best results, put a leather needle in. Those come in 14, 16, 18 size. Let's see if this machine can take it. Yeah! We could even put more pressure on the pressure foot for that. Right off the end from 2 layers to 1. It'll work. Yeah! Bonded leather. So, this machine is really good for heavy fabric or lightweight. You want to do quilting, you want to drop feed. Here's your drop feed right here. And your pressure release right there. Pushing in there. But this type of machine, the 15 class, really excels at heavy fabric. So this might be one you'd want to consider if you're making bags, leather bras, that kind of thing. The machine is pretty substantial. It's not going to walk away from you on the table. It can be mounted in any cabinet for the old flatbed style machines like this. The finish is beautiful, as you can see. Motor's really strong. This machine is yours. We fixed it up just for you right here at Stagecoach Road Sewing Machine. Contact us and we'll tell you how you can take it home.